Guys, we have a little setup here where we're going to show you how to program the Hapn HPVFD AC Drive. On page 49 it also has a nice diagram that details each signal and what it is marked as on the unit itself. You can go to page 49 on the manual that comes with the drive. On this unit we have already connected up our AC coming from the power from a wall outlet, and this side we have connected the motor that is situated right here. It is connected into a 380 volt setup in star configuration. This is our small setup that has a potentiometer and a stop-start switch that we can wire onto the unit and then turn on the unit for you and show you how to program the unit to start and stop and regulate your speed using a potentiometer and a stop-start signal. As indicated earlier, we have terminal numbers where we connect up our potentiometers, so as indicated in the manual. So our potentiometer will be connected onto the 10 volt, A1 and G and D. $10 volt would be your high point, your AI1 or A1 would be the analog input 1, and thirdly your ground will go on to G and D, that's your potentiometer. Secondly, we're going to connect up our start switch. So that would go on to S1 and common, and that is a digital input. Everything is connected up, as you can see. So we have our potentiometer and our start signal. On default, the drive comes as a start signal that you can use a run and stop signal and adjust the speed on the keypad itself. So now we're going to show you how to program the two signals that we just wired in. After turning the power on, it will come to this screen. So as default, you can start or run the drive and increase the speed with the knob as follows. Press enter, then you can see the motor is running as we increase the speed. And then you can stop from the keypad also. You can set your desired speed, and as said there, 29.2 Hz. It's running at 29.2 Hz, and you can stop from the keypad. Now we can program in the previously installed digital signal and analog signals. To program, you have to press program and then use the knob in the middle to navigate up or down. You're going to go into standard parameters. Command source, and then you're going to change that to 1. It will prompt a success, and then for your speed you also press and continue to make that 1 as well, and then you can use escape to go back to the main screen. From that, now you can use your previously installed switch to start the unit and use the potentiometer to set your desired speed. Once you have programmed to use your external or terminals to run and control speed, you can no longer use the keypad to run or stop or change the speed of your motor. On this particular setup, we have a foot pedal installed onto the VSD to stop and start the motor. So on this one, it does not have an analog input. We're using the knob on the keypad to set the desired speed. So at the moment, the desired speed was set at 50 Hertz, and the foot pedal is engaged. When you disengage the foot pedal, the motor will stop.